Nothing like waiting to the last minute. It's the last day of June. Let's look in the Ipsy BoxyCharm. What'd you get in your box? If you've been thinking about it, you get 5 full-size products every month. It's a great deal. Use my link. Use my link if you want to get yours today. My name's Amber Wood. I'm 48 years old. I have normal, maturing, hyperpigmentation. Let's use some of these products. Start with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with sunscreen. Yay! Ooh, pump. We like a pump. First Aid Beauty's always got good stuff. Just hope it doesn't do the white cast. We love a multi-purpose product. I don't see any white cast. We've got hydration. We've got sunscreen. Next, we've got a Real Her Dream Without Limits Ceramide Primer. You're like, ceramide, what's that? Moisturizes, soothes, brightens. Ooh. Pretty, nice. I don't really smell anything. A little hit of that. Ooh, that does kind of smell nice. Feels nice. One thing I'm not going to use right at this moment because my hair's not wet. Briogeo Superfoods Leave-In Treatment for the hair. This looks so nice. It's got avocado, kiwi, mega moisture 3-in-1 leave-in spray. Definitely going to try that next time I wash my hair. When will I do that? I need to do it soon, actually. It's been a while. Ooh. Okay, I threw on a little face makeup and now I'm doing some concealer because the other 2 products are eye products. So I need to prep for an actual eye situation. Next, we have the MAKIAGE Color Boss Quad. It feels very like luxe and heavy, and it's beautiful. Sorry, I got my big fingernail stuck in there. But I was going to say it'd be good for like travel, but it's heavy. So I don't know that I'd want to be traveling around. I mean, throwing in your, your purse or your bag. It's got a lovely big mirror. I don't know. But I like the colors. So we'll just do a quick little look with what we got here. I'm just going to take this lighter matte and just kind of brush it all over. I did put a concealer down as a base. Plus I have all those blood vessels that just show through. Ridiculous. Now I'm going to take the darker brown shade there and just kind of put with a small fluffy brush right that outer C situation there. This is just a easy, quick, great summer look, especially if you're a mom on the go, somebody busy. So I'm going to take that lightest shimmer, put it in the inner corner with my ring finger, and then just a little bit up. Just kind of sweep it up a little bit. Now I'm going to take my middle finger on that reddish coppery shade and go right above that and kind of blend them together just a little bit. I go back to that lighter shade and just kind of tap it around the edge of that darker shimmer just to kind of blend those edges a bit. And this is a great look too to kind of go from day to night. Like you could easily take this and pump it up if you're going to go out on the town or go for a date night or whatevs. I just added a little bit more of the dark around the edge there, and then I'm just going to take kind of a short stubby flat brush around the bottom lash line. Last thing in the box is a Context Shimmer Eye Stick. Looks like that. Looks like we've got kind of a darker shade. I'll smoke out my lash line with this. It looks a little shimmery too. Does that look stupid? I thought that was going to be darker, so don't do that. I mean, you can do that if you like it, but I'm going to go ahead and use it as a waterline eyeliner. Oh yeah, because it's lighter, it's got a little shimmer in it, kind of makes the eyes look a little bit more open if you're tired from your toddler being up at 5 a.m. Oh yeah, that helps. Threw on some mascara, a little bit of lip oil, lip gloss, whatever, and you're good to go for the day. That's a cute look. And like I said, it's something that can go easy day to night. If you want to see me take this to a night look, let me know. And don't forget, for the BoxyCharm, you're only paying $30 a month for all of these full-size products, which really just like one of them is about 30 bucks on its own. So you're really getting your money's worth. It's a great way to try new products if you're not sure what to pick. If you're not a big beauty guru and you don't know what to pick in the store, like, they pick it for you. And you actually, if you're a subscriber, you actually do get to pick 3 of your products. They'll send you, it's really easy. They send you an email with some different options and you pick which one you like. But all of this stuff is worth up to $200. So make sure you use my link. Follow for more fun makeup and beauty videos. Have a great day. Bye.